Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this foldable hand truck from Parkside. Extendable handle, elasticate strap for securing loads, 50 kg it is the maximum load, wheels, the diameter it is 10 cm by 3 cm the thickness, and the platform it is 23 by 25 cm. So we have in this hook, remove, unfold, oh, we have a manual inside, okay, no worries. Extendable, just press this button, wow, and it is very secure. You need to press again the button, and that was all. This is the area that you can have anything you want to carry on with you. It is plastic, so 50 kilogram. Well, I don't have 50 kilogram right now to test it. The straps are very strong, I like that. Okay, so let's see how well it's performing by moving some stuff. Here we have the locking mechanism. It locks, unfold, I have this drawer. It weighs about 35 kg. Inside it has tools, so it is heavy. If you're wondering how I have made the taping at the drawer, you can check my video right in the corner after the end of this video. It is very easy to move around left and right, it's very stable, and so fast you can fold it again, store it wherever you want. It is so small, it's fitting anywhere. And again unfold and move stuff. And you can use the strap with the hook to secure and move the box. The cost is only 12 euros, very good price, and at the right moment will be very helpful. Thank you for watching my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.